So day 2 of the unit plan really focused on brainstorming ideas for a season that they like best. So together as a group, we created a T-chart in which we came up with ideas of what are reasons that you would like fall, winter, spring, and summer. And then afterwards, I showed students how to take those examples and expand on them so that they related to themselves a little bit more. So students were able to use the T-chart for help, but were also encouraged to create examples that related to them. So when I showed students this, they were allowed to pick their favorite season and choose a web map that related to their season. So there's fall, winter, spring, and summer. Essentially, at the very end, they would write their reasons, and if they needed to, then they were encouraged to add more arrows. So this is an example that I did with my students in which I conducted a bunch of think alouds to show how to brainstorm ideas for your favorite season. I made sure to really emphasize how these topics related to me personally. So for example, I discussed how I love wearing boots in the fall, and I like that it gets a little colder so it's not as hot, and that the different colors are so pretty, and that I love to go hiking. And I really showcase how these ideas can kind of branch off of each other. So how when I wrote hot apple cider, I also thought, oh, I love pumpkin spice. And I use this as an example for my students. Then students were able to create their own and kind of base it off of mine by using their own examples and ideas. As an exit slip, my students were required to write 3 reasons that they like their season the best, and they did this because it was supposed to help them with the next day's lesson, in which they expanded on those reasons to create kind of more general reasons, and then the little tiny reasons would be kind of supporting details. So you can see this student said that they liked winter the best because of the cold, forts, attacking my brother are the reasons why. I also made sure to note that they did a great job restating, because they said, I like winter because, and I think this might be one of the only students that actually followed the directions and restated. The next student said that they liked spring because it has my birthday in it. I also like the birds in the spring, and I love the flowers the best. This student said that they like summer the best because I go on vacation with my family and friends, and because I get to eat ice pops and going swimming with Gabby. And I made sure to highlight the need to restate. But this brainstorming was really supposed to help them with finishing that mid-assessment that we were going to do together.